So taking first derivative, which is that, 5 over 3x plus 1 squared. Set it equal to 0. But I also have what to look for? It's a fraction, so I got to watch out for
anything that blow it up.
Anything blows it up, and that is
Negative 1/3.
Negative 1/3. If I set it equal to 0, what do I get? Nothing, right? 5 equals 0. So the only critical point is that x equals negative 1/3. Now, since I'm here, does anybody notice anything special about the first derivative? So, the number on top is 5, right?
Always positive.
It's always positive, and what about the bottom?
Always positive.
It's always positive. So this thing is always positive, which is important, right? Because it's always then, if my first derivative is greater than 0, I'm increasing. So this thing's always increasing. All right, inflection points. Negative 30 all over 3x plus 1 cubed. Oh, have that same thing to worry about, right? IP blows it up. If I cross multiply, I get nothing. There's my IP. Okay, if I look at my chart, not very busy. Got my critical point and inflection point. We just kind of figured it out earlier, but this guy's going to be a neither. And we just said it, since the first derivative is always positive, I'm going to be increasing.
Okay, but if you didn't catch that up there,
You just plug in a number?
into
Yeah, I
the
plug,
second.
no. If you plug this into the second
Oh,
derivative,
plug in the,
yeah, because you already know what it is, it's a neither. So I'd plug in
yeah.
0 into the first derivative and find out it's positive. Yep. If I can't use the second derivative for anything, I got to go back to the first derivative for increasing, decreasing. Also, since this is a neither, that doesn't tell me anything about concave up, concave down. So in the same manner, I'm going to have to pick a number and plug it into the second derivative. If I plug it in there, the top's negative and the bottom is positive. So it's concave down. And then this is concave up.